pretty similar to the Mac Tools Precision Torque. Almost identical beam style. No teeth in the end, which I thought these ones had the teeth, but oh well. Very nice offset box end there. I like that. Case seems pretty functional. I like the way the numbering or the size markings I do like that. It's a quality feeling wrench. We're waiting for the metric and we're going to put these to the test. Dropped our air gun the other day and destroyed that, so went and got some more high flow adapters and a lock and chuck for the end, even though I really like that swivel. Well, I guess the swivel will stay. Cool. Check them out. 1.5, 2.5, and 3 to 10. That was a lot of work for one set. So here we got some ball end with your almost like the Mac Tools RBRT here. See how it has the indentational teeth to grab and pull your fastener. Looks like it also has it on the ball end as well. So we're going to put these to the use end, Craftsman D series. Very, very stiff case. But I don't know. I don't think we'll leave them in the tray because that takes up too much room. And it has this on it. Whatever, it's what it is. It'll probably come out of that plastic, but there you have it. Small tool haul for y'all. Until the next one, hope you enjoyed.